Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful heart cord lace. So I am using a 5 mm crochet hook size and this 3-ply yarn. So first of all make a slip knot and then we would make chains for our project. So start making chains with the help of crochet hook. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9 and then chain 10. In this way make 30 more chains. So I have made more 30 chains. Now we have total of 40 chains for our project. Now the loop on the hook doesn't count as anything. 1, 2, 3. We would leave 3 chains and work into the 4th one, and in this 4th chain make a double crochet. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Now make another double crochet stitch into the same chain. Now make 2 chains, chain 1 and then chain 2, and make a single crochet into the same chain. Now make the same thing again, make chain 1 and chain 2 again and make 2 double crochet in the same chain again to make the upper shape of the heart. So this is double crochet 1 and then make double crochet 2 into the same chain. So now leave 1, 2 and then 3 chain, make a single slip stitch, now skip 3 chains again and into the 4th one make double crochet 1, then make double crochet 2 into this chain, then make chain 1 and then chain 2 and make a single crochet into this chain, again make chain 1 and then chain 2 and make double crochet into this chain. This is double crochet 1. Now make double crochet 2 into this chain. So now skip 3 chains again, 1, 2 and then 3, go into the 4th one and make a slip stitch. So I have made a slip stitch. So in this way complete this row by making 2 double crochet, 2 chain, single crochet, 2 chain and then 2 double crochets in every 4th chain. So I have completed this all row. Now we would change the color. You can also use the same color to make the cord, but I am changing the color. So now remove this slip stitch because we would make this slip stitch with this white yarn. So go into this 4th chain and with the help of white yarn make a slip stitch. Now we would work into the same space, same chain from the opposite side. So go into this chain and make double crochet 1 into this chain, then make double crochet 2 into this chain, and then make double crochet 3, and after 3 double crochet stitches make chain 1, and then wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times, go into this same chain and draw a loop, 4 loops on our hook. So pull the yarn through 2 loops first, then pull the yarn through 2 loops, and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is our half double crochet stitch, treble crochet stitch, which is also called a triple crochet. Now make chain 1 and make double crochet 1 into this same chain, then make double crochet 2, and the last one is double crochet 3 into the same chain. So now you can see the heart shape. Now make a slip stitch into this 4th chain where we have already made a slip stitch from the other side. So this is our first heart of the cord. Now go into this chain, which is 4th chain, and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3, then make chain 1 and wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times, go into the chain and draw a loop and pull the yarn through 2 loops 3 times. So this is our treble crochet stitch. Make chain 1 again, and now again make 3 double crochet stitches into this chain again. So this is double crochet 1, then make double crochet 2 and double crochet 3, and then again make a slip stitch into this 4th chain. So complete this row according to this pattern. So I have completed this side too. Now make a slip stitch into this 3rd chain, pull the yarn, cut it and remove the extra yarn strand, cut this yarn too, and now weave these all yarn ends with the help of yarn needle from both sides. So I have woven all the yarn ends. So this is our heart cord lace. You can make baby headbands or you can use it in other different projects. So if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel also. Press the bell icon and then all option to get notifications. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.